Okay, I think we still have someone else. Yang Yichen. If maybe correct me if I'm wrong. Is it the first time you're here in the meeting?
No,
Oh, I'm
I've
sorry.
been here for a while, 2 times.
Okay, yeah, and yeah, I think we have Yang Yue here. You're first timer in this meeting, right? Would you please introduce yourself?
Actually, I have joined this community meeting last month.
Oh.
Last month, the Chaos Match dashboard introducement.
Sorry, I think I my mind is is kind of like a mess because we had
Never mind.
Yeah. Okay. Let's jump into the usual sessions of the meeting. Firstly, as usual, we will have Chen Wen, a maintainer of CastMatch, to give you the updates of the community in July. As I mentioned, there will be some exciting news to announce. And after that, there will be a community sharing about Type Pocket, a testing framework that we built based on CastMatch to test TiDB, our distributed database. Okay, without further ado, let's start it from Chen Wen. Would you please share your desktop?
Okay, I will share my screen. The first, you need to return your screen. Hi, Kira.
Let me stop my sharing.
Oh, sharing. Okay. Okay. Hi, I'm Chen Wen. I see and hear always our old friends. I think maybe guys know me and to make introduction about me. So I just start my introduction. And this is the time to see the project progress of this month again. Yes. In this month, we have some new features and also have some good news. Okay, the first, I'm very excited to announce the good news. ChaosMesh has been accepted in CNCF Sandbox and joined the CNCF Network SIG. This is a milestone of the ChaosMesh project. And this shows that we are accepted by the largest cloud native organization, and also our project is on the right direction. And here I need to thank all the contributors of the ChaosMesh and also all friends who are interested in ChaosMesh. And this is the result of the joint effort of all of us. As a sandbox project, we will get more support from CNCF. On the other hand, we will also have more work to complete, and we need to try our best to build the completed chaos experiment. Okay, we need to build the completed chaos engineering ecology on Kubernetes. I think this is just the beginning, and next next term we need to build a verify API or more complete experiment report, and also okay. The next news is about a maintainer. In this month, we have 3 new maintainers. The first one is Kevin, and he is our old friend, and he focuses on Chaosmage community and the documents. Kevin,
Hi again.
to us.
Yes. And I mean, it's really an honor and a pleasure to be get involved in this great project, and also it's great to see it from see its birth, and it's now a sincere project. Really an exciting project to work on. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Kevin help us in our community and the documents. And thanks, Kevin. Okay, again.
Thank you.
And the next is Ye Ben. Yes, he. I think he also our old friends. And he works on Chaos dashboard and also build a Grafana desktop plugin for Chaosmage. And his work may make users easily to use Chaosmage. Hi, Yeba. Hi.
Hello.
Yes. So can you say hi to us?
Okay. Yeah. Hello. I'm Ben. I was an intern in the Chaosmage team, and yeah, I'm happy to contribute to this project, and I made many new friends as well. And yeah, currently I'm quite busy, so I don't contribute much to Chaosmage, and so I hope I can contribute more and review more PRs after my current job. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thanks. The next time we will more open and publish our design and the roadmap. So our maintainers and we can talk about this. Okay. And the next is Tan Hengliang. He is from Xiaopen Model, and he is working on DOM Chaos. And okay, hi Tan. Hi, are you here, Tan? Hi, hi Tan, are you here? Can you say hi to us? Okay. Okay. Hi, Tan. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Maybe he's delay for other things or can't hear my word. Okay. Okay. And let us change to our project. About the chaos operator, we also have some updates. And present, we support setting protecting namespace. So if you want to protect some namespace, such as Kubernetes system or other important namespace, we can set them in Chaosmage config, and the Chaosmage will ignore them automatically when to inject faults. Another feature is about the network chaos. Yes, we add an external target field in network chaos object. So if you want to inject network fields between your application and the external nodes. And some users was eager for this feature before, and so now we can use it. The next part is about Chaos dashboard. And present, we can create our chaos, kernel chaos, and time chaos experiments on our chaos dashboard. We can use the YAM file to create experiment on chaos dashboard. So we can reuse our chaos experiments files. In addition, we also add a new overview page and improve the levels of the whole chaos dashboard. Here is the overview page. We can get the general information of the whole chaos mesh. And here is the total experiments of each chaos time. Okay. Another big change is required by CNCF. We have migrated chaos mesh repo from PingCAP organization to chaos mesh organization. And also we have migrated CRD group from pingcap.com to chaosmesh.org. This change will affect the upgrading of the chaos mesh, and the users need to update the chaos experiment files and CRD, and also need to clean all the running chaos experiments before upgrading the new version of the chaos mesh. Okay, and the more detail about the recent updates, you can find them in this document. Okay, thanks.
Okay, thanks, Chairman, for the updates. These are really exciting news. And before we move on to the next session, I think we have two new friends or new faces, because I think Queenie Jing has been an old friend of Chaos Mesh. Queenie, would you please say hi to the community?
Hello, everyone. Nice to see you all.
Okay. And also we have, oh, I think he's gone. He's not in the list now. So let's move on to the next session, which is the community sharing session. So okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, this session will be presented by Manjun Peng, would you please share your desktop and start your presentation?
Okay. Wait a moment. Okay. Oh, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, let's start. Hello, everyone. My name is Manjun Peng. I'm a developer from Binkhide. I'm so glad to be here and share you with how do we test TidyB using Chaos Mesh with Typocket. Thank you for joining me. Typocket is a testing platform. It's a testing platform we developed based on Chaos Mesh for testing TidyB. Okay, let's start. This is today's agenda. I will first give you an introduction to TidyB and Chaos Mesh from our testing perspective. And then I will introduce the reason why we developed the Typocket and share you with the overall architecture of it. Finally, I will show you how we use Argo to manage the cases we have written. Distributed system testing does matter. From this picture, you can see that many applications today are data intensive. They are usually built from many building blocks, include database, cache, vertex index, and MQ, etc. So reliability becomes one of the most important factors we have to consider. The reliability here means that a system can continue to work correctly even when something goes wrong. There's no doubt that TidyB is one of typical distributed system. This is the architecture of TidyB. In this diagram, there are four main components: the SQL layer TidyB, the distributed storage layer TiKV, placement driver PD, and our columns.tyflash. These four components communicate with each other, so gRPC crossing the network. So to test such a distributed system, we need to simulate kinds of faults. In this part, I will give you the reason of why Chaos Mesh. So maybe some of you wonder why we chose Chaos Mesh to building a testing platform. The first reason is for simplicity. All the Chaos deployments are managed as custom resources, which means that we can use Kubernetes Go client to inject and rollback them. Here is a list of fault simulations which has been supported by Chaos Mesh. You can see that compared with other Chaos platforms, Chaos Mesh supports more comprehensive features. So it saves us lots of time on building diverse and completed testing environments. It's so cool. With the help of Chaos Mesh, we developed a platform for testing the stability and the reliability of TidyB. That's a Typocket. As we know, each is a set of properties of a database transaction intended to guarantee validate even in the event of error, power failures. So we developed some toolkits to build verification approaches to test databases. TidyB is a CP and HA system. Fault tolerant is another point, which is worth for us to take more efforts on it. For example, we should measure whether the RTO is met our expectation when diverse incidents occur. And to widen the testing coverage of TidyB, we designed some folders to create random inputs when testing. So Typocket plays the role of a driver to combine these toolkits and the chaos injection functionality. This is the overall architecture of Typocket. With the help of of rich open source ecosystems, we can establish a testing platform from scratch easily. That's the reason why we embrace open source actively. From this architecture picture, you can see that there are 5 parts of components. At the far left is Argo Workflows. Argo Workflows is a workflow engine for orchestrating jobs on Kubernetes. We use it to schedule Typepocket cases for daily regression or release test. When a case is scheduled, it first enters the prepare stage where Typepocket invokes TidyV operator to create a TidyV cluster from scratch and set up a local client to fetch logs generated by the cluster. After that, Typepocket will put the case into the running stage where Chaos Mesh shows his skills to break down the system in a managed way. Behind each round is a verification stage. We use some checkers to verify that whether the system is still healthy. So we built some tools for verification. GoCircleSmith is a fuzzing testing tool which generates randomly circle queries so it can be used to find panics with conditions and other bugs. GoCircleAnswer is our Go implementation of CircleAnswer, which is also a fast tool. It supports PQS, no-rec, TLP. If you are interested in how these approaches work, you can read these papers. Up to now, it has found 17 bugs on TidyV. To test the consistency, we designed some checkers. Bank case transforms account between those of shared table, and the pbank case checks bank accounts using a linearizability checker, Porcupine. Besides these 4 banks, we also use GoTBC to check the consistency of TidyV. The GoTBC implements TBCC and TBCH workloads defined on TBC. For TBCC, GoTBC runs the consistency checks after a round of benchmarking is finished. Although only the first 4 is required at the TBCC size, we usually check most all of these 12 conditions. These cases and verification methods are running with chaos injection. We design several different kinds of chaos scene. As your name applies, random kill, kill all, minor kill, etc. inject service long downtime, and a short kill TKV, short kill PD leader inject short duration of service available. Partition 1 encapsulates the network chaos and isolates a single node from others each time. We also define 5 timescale chaos. Inject timescale from the smallest 100 milliseconds one up to the 5 seconds one. When Typepocket trigger chaos event, it writes a log to tag the beginning moment of chaos and its scene's name. It's useful for us to troubleshoot the system. So on Typepocket, we use Loki to connect logs and dump the TiDB cluster logs on local and build an artifactor in Argo. Loki is like Prometheus, but for logs, we use this Go client to dump logs at regular intervals. You know, we use Argo to manage your cases. In this last part, I will show you how we schedule type of cases using the Argo workflows. For each case, we need to write a workflow template that defines the input parameters and the output artifactors. We use artifactors to pack TiDB cluster logs for analyzing after finding a problem. After writing the template, we should consider the way to trigger the template with specified parameters. Argo provides workflow and cron workflow to schedule. And we can override parameters on the workflow files. So we chose the cron workflow for regression testing. Argo provides a command, so submitting a new template and the workflow is very easy. In this case, we can use Argo template create to submit a template we defined just before, and use Argo cron create to submit a cron workflow. This is a screenshot. You can see there are running 3 cases here. Okay, thank you for listening. Do you have any question?
Okay, I think I have a question about the typology. My question is to build a dashboard for typology in the future.
You mean typology dashboard?
Yes.
I think in future perhaps we need a dashboard, but it isn't like the chaos mesh dashboard. It focuses on TiDB cluster metrics showing. The metrics is useful for when we troubleshooting the problem, when finding a bug, we can. So I think it's needed in future.
Okay. Okay, thanks. About the chaos mesh, I think in the next demo we will build the company that chaos engineering project. This means we will add the report, and also we will add the verify API. You can define your state change and also integrated and to chaos mesh. Okay.
I think it's okay. We can share some front-end components.
Okay, thanks.
So any other question? Oh, okay. I will finish my sharing. Thank you for joining.
Okay, thanks, Junpeng, for the sharing. Before we finish the meeting today, does anybody have any comments or questions about Chaos Mesh or the updates in this meeting? Okay, I take that as a no. So okay, we will finish this meeting for July, and thanks again for your attendance, and of course, sorry again for missing the meeting in the beginning and keeping you waiting. Even if even after the meeting, if you can join our Slack or follow our Twitter to get the real-time updates of Chaos Mesh, and yeah, and we just changed our URL for the repo. We just migrated the Chaos Mesh repo from PinCap to its own independent repo, as already introduced by Chenwen. Yeah, I think that's all for the meeting today.
Okay.
Thank you for your attendance, and we will see you in August.
Thanks.
Bye for now.
Thanks. Bye.